Okay, here we are for cartoon lesson number 2, and today we're going to draw Timmy, and we're going to do it right out of the Fairly Odd Parents How to Draw book. And this is Timmy, okay, and that's who we're going to draw. So we're going to start with step 1, the biggest shape, some eyes, and his body. Okay, so we're going to start by drawing about a quarter of a circle. So it's just a curved line. And if you plant your hand and just twirl your fingers like that, it's going to be like a compass and you'll get a really nice round shape. Then we're going to draw the line across. And a line down. Okay, and then we're going to do part of a triangle. Now we're going to mark the center of the face right here by, again, planting your hand, touching your pencil, and just turning your hand. Okay? And we're going to put on 2 eyes. So they're circles. I'm going to dot them first just to make sure I can get a circle I like. And that again is a precursor to sketching. This one is not a circle, it is an oval. Okay, I like those. So I'm going to go ahead and draw them. Now you can be using a number 2 pencil, an eraser, and we're going to use a Sharpie. I'm going to draw the other eye now. And the last piece in this step is a little tiny, well, it's almost a C. We're going to put that on for the nose. Okay, that's step 1. Step 2, the next biggest shape is going to be the hair. So we're going to go ahead and start over here and draw a line. I'm going to undo my paper so I can tilt my paper. I'm going to do the same kind of thing again. I'm going to plant my hand, use it like a compass, and just twirl my hand. I'm going to do the same thing for here. It's going to stop. If you can see that little sketch mark right there, it's going to stop a little bit over halfway of the eye. Okay, go ahead and put that on. Then we're going to draw another one that goes way behind over here. And plant that hand and just turn it. Okay, and you get a nice arc that way. And we're going to connect these right here. Then we've got another triangle. So this is going to come out here. And I'm going to go ahead and mark where I want the ear. And I think about right there will be good. And so the triangle goes right out to there. All right, and I'm going to put a line on right here by the body. And 2 lines out to the left. 1, 2, and 2 triangles for the legs. We're going to do right from the corner of the body, we're going to do a triangle. And then we're going to go from that same corner out for the other leg. Okay, and then triangle. Okay, next here are the 2 little circles for the eyes. Okay, and go ahead and draw those in. All right, so step 2 is done. And we're going to move on to step 3. And let's start with the mouth. So it's right here and down. So you have to come out a little bit from the nose and then do a curve up by the eye and then down. Okay, so I got a big old smile started there. Now we're going to do the eyebrows. Goes right across that section, right there. I'm going to go ahead and erase some lines. Now, because you're using a number 2 pencil, your lines will erase much better than mine. I'm using a 6B, and you should be using a 2H or HB. Number 2 or HB. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and do the other eyebrow, and it touches my center line right there. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a rectangle going out to here. Okay, I want to get rid of some more lines here. I want to get rid of the line inside this eyebrow, and I want to get rid of this center line right here. Okay, you can go ahead and erase those. Not the eyebrow itself, but the line that's in the middle of the eyebrow. And now you can erase the line down the middle of the face. For me, it's not going to erase that good, but it should erase just fine for you. Now we're erasing over some lines that we drew, so we're going to have to draw those lines back, which is right here and right here. Okay, now we're going to do the hands. And so we've just got a thumb, a finger, another finger, and another finger. Okay, his other hand is down here, and the thumb goes right. Well, let's erase some lines here first. Let's get rid of this line out of this leg. It'll make drawing that section much easier when we draw the thumb. My eraser doesn't want to stay on now. Okay, so now the thumb is here, and then we've got a finger 1, finger 2, and I got that too fat, and finger 3. Okay, and we're going to draw 2 triangles for the feet and go up and down, and another one right here on this leg. We're going to go up and down. Okay, and then we've got a little line to, or a half an oval to put on right here, and then a little circle. Okay, and there's step 3. Now back over here to step 4. We're going to put on the teeth, the tongue, this shirt sleeve, the inside of the ear, and the top of the hat. So let's start here with the teeth. We can still see our line that went through the center, so we're going to start there, and we're just going to draw half of an oval and a line down the middle. And we're going to draw this line right here that's going down. We're going to draw half an oval here. We'll go ahead and just go straight down from where we're working and go ahead and put on a sleeve here. And we're going to do a triangle for the sleeve here. The inside of the ear is like the number 6. And the hat, if you follow that line straight down, it ends right where the eyebrow ends. So we're just going to start above that. And we're going to go way up and come down. Okay, and then we're going to do another line right here by the top and bring it on down. Okay, that looks like everything in step 4. Going to go on to step 5. Okay, and we can start erasing in step 5 some more things. So we're going to erase this line, and this line, this one, and this one. So go ahead and start by erasing right here on the arm. Right there on the chest, right here on the arm, right here on the leg, near the foot. You don't want to see a line now for where the foot is. You want the foot to just go like that. Here where the pants are, you just want it to be pants, no line. Going to go ahead and erase out of this foot. Okay. Now up here on the hat, we're going to erase this line that goes across here. We're going to erase this line right here, and we're going to erase one of these lines here. Let's start with this one. Okay, now I've got his hairline that goes right there. We need to erase this line right here by the ear. So go ahead and erase that line. Okay, so now the hair goes down and it touches where the cap meets, and the cap goes over. We're going to erase this line right here. Okay. Now we can outline him. Oh, one more line, I beg your pardon. Sorry, I missed one right there. Okay, now we can outline it. So take your Sharpie and go over all the lines, being careful not to line the ones, not to ink the ones that you erased. I'm going to start up here with the hair and using the same, planting the heel of my hand and turning my hand. I'm going to go there, stop, and there. Do the same thing for the top, only I'm going to start here at the hat and just plant my hand and turn my hand. Okay. Now I'm going to do the big shape of the face, plant my hand, and just turn my hand, following that line. Okay. Go ahead now and just work your way down. And do the eyebrow next. The other eyebrow. The line for the face, I'm going to be sure I stop at the ear and start at the bottom of the ear and finish to the chin. I'm going to do, we're going to erase another line. Oh, okay. I apologize, I missed one. Let's get rid of this line right here in the hair. So now you just have a big triangle. If you're not sure, just look here at what I'm doing. Okay, so you can see where my line was, but now it's gone. I've erased it, and I've only drawn the outside of it. Okay, I'm going to finish the hat. Little circle, part of the hat. Then I'm going to move on to the eye. Now, if you don't want to just do the whole eye like that, just do half as far as you can see. Then come around and do the other side. Be sure to stop at the nose and start again. Okay, and then do your little circle. Okay, and do the next eye. Again, only doing half, only as far as your tip of your, you can see on the tip of your pen. And come in and do the other side. And then the circle. Now, the C shape for the nose. Line. I'm going to turn my paper so I can plant my hand and bring that curve on around. Okay, and I've got the line, his teeth, his tongue. I'm going to turn my paper upside down so I can get that curve right there of the mouth. I'm going to go ahead and do the ear. And his arm, and I'll just keep working my way down till I've got every line outlined. Making sure not to draw the ones I erased. Feet, leg, leg, top of my pants, and my last arm and hand. Arm, thumb, finger, finger, and finger. And then the back of the arm. And there we go. Now hold your paper really tight and erase all your pencil lines using a bigger eraser. Making sure you do not wrinkle your paper as you're erasing. Just go over every line that you drew. That way you'll be sure to get every pencil line. Now, if you've stopped erasing, are you sure you got all your lines? Keep looking for more lines. Keep erasing. And there we have it. Timmy from Fairly Odd Parents. All right. Keep drawing. Have fun.